Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to explore some practical and creative problem solving technique, especially focusing on brainstorming methods. These skills are super important, not just for jobs but also for everyday situations where you need to make smart decisions. So let's begin. Introduction to brainstorming. What is brainstorming? It's a fun and open way to generate creative ideas, not only in group but also as an individual. It was mainly introduced by Alex F. Osborne in 1939. Uh, he introduced this when he was very frustrated with his employees for not coming up with very creative and unique ideas during the work. So he introduced the brainstorming. It became popular in 1953. Uh, the main goal of brainstorming is to encourage the others to come up with unique and creative ideas to solve the problems in their own unique way, and it is a very natural process of generating ideas focused on problem solutions. Why use brainstorming? So it is a very basic question. Why use brainstorming? Because it promotes creativity. uh, as we know, each and every individual is very capable of creating various unique ideas. Each and every individual's thinking capacity is very different and they think in a very different and creative way. So it allows to promote creativity and avoid judgment. Second is break limitations. So providing an open environment to the team people will help them come out of their comfort zone and think in a different creative way. It removes barriers, inviting diverse and unusual perspectives. Third is efficient solutions. As we know, there are the problem solving is very important in our professional as well as personal life. So it helps us to promote creative and rapid problem solving in various challenges. Individual versus group brainstorming. So, as I have said before, brainstorming can be done individually as well as in group. Individual, sometimes we need a quiet moment to really think things through. So, individual brainstorming gives you that space. You are not influenced by anyone else. There are no distractions. You can dive deep into the problem. This is great when you are working on something complex or when you want to explore your own ideas first before sharing. Whereas in group brainstorming, probably the most common type, it brings together 5 to 7 peoples and each person adds something different based on their experience. The real magic happens when people build on each other's ideas. When done right, it will lead to a super creative and often unexpected solutions. just make sure just to make sure that the group follows the rules and keep the things positive. As we know, there can be arguments regarding some things, so we have to respect each and every individual's ideas within the group and combine them to find the common ground to solve the solutions. There are various challenges in group brainstorming, such as influencing others with our own ideas and blocking and loud dominance, dominating others, etc. Other brainstorming techniques are as follows. Step ladder technique. It In this, we add members one at a time so that everyone share fresh ideas without being influenced. Second is brainwriting. In this, the people write their ideas instead of saying them. This helps introverts and avoid interruptions. Online brainstorming. We use digital tools to collaborate in real time, even if the team is remote. And fourth is Crawford's slip writing. In this, we write each and every individual writes their ideas on the slip for group discussion, which can encourage honesty and creativity. Some other special brainstorming techniques are reverse brainstorming. It helps us to identify the problem and causes to tackle the issues more effectively. It asks, how can we make this problem worst? It might sound odd, but it really helps to uncover the weak spots and think in different angles. Starbursting, it focuses on generating questions instead of answer, great for planning and exploring a new idea. The charrette and round robin, it is a structured sessions where participants share ideas in turn. Role storming, adopt different roles to stimulate creativity and perspective. Steps to brainstorming. So, how do you run a brainstorming session? Here are some of the steps. First, plan the session. Know the problem which you are solving. Prepare a graph or visual structure to map the ideas. That is, prepare the structure, and then discuss the problem and all possible solutions, and stay focused. Take a break to refresh the mind. It really helps actually. And then set priorities which are very important in solving the problem. Then, based on the priorities, finalize the best suitable solution, then perform the suitable actions. Use affinity diagrams and decision techniques. Decision matrix analysis is one of the technique which can be used. It compares all possible options using weighted criteria. Paired comparison analysis, we rank options by pairwise comparison. And then six thinking hats, in this we explore different perspective systematically in order to understand all the perspective very clearly. Modified border count, in this we rank preferences through voting and scoring. Brainstorming tips for manager. If you are the one leading the session, these steps are very important. Clear objective, we set the clear objective and define the goals to stay focused on the session effectively. Then we set basic ground rules to encourage respect and open participation of the all individuals within the group. Encourage flexibility, allow divergent thinking and silent reflection. Make sure the space feels open so that everyone can contribute. Use open ended question. Stimulate board and deep idea generation. Facilitate transition. Guide the discussion and bridge to the next steps in order to stay focused on the main finding solution for the problem. Why brainstorming is important? Because it's one of the best tools for the team based problem solving. It encourages everyone to speak, spark creativity, and help people feel involved. When it is done well, it will lead to a better solution, stronger teamwork, and more innovation. It builds it builds teamwork and collaboration. It uncovers unique and effective solutions for the complex problem and helps to think in all possible angles to find the perfect solution for the problem, and also helps to improve the problem uh, and understand the problem in deep. To run a group brainstorming session, we have to first prepare the group, create a comfortable and relaxed environment so that individual can be the so that the group can be at relax and think clearly. Present the problem, the define the problem and goals clearly so that every individual can understand and provide unique creative ideas for the solution, as the solution of the problem for the problem. Guide discussion, encourage idea sharing and build the ideas. So that's all about the problem solving technique. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.